welcome to Chao. Today I'm going to share with you some secret tips how to make your own homemade coffee jelly. And I'm going to show it to you in two different ways. One is using powdered coffee and the other is using brewed coffee. So there is only one major ingredient for this, and that is powdered gelatin. And this is no cook. You don't need to have an electric stove or a cooker. You can just, all you need is a kettle, boiled water. So let's get started. The first one that we will use is instant coffee. So instant coffee, not 3-in-1 coffee. For instant coffee, the formula will be, we need 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. The formula that I will show you today can be multiplied many different ways. So you can make 2 proportions of this formula or 3. It depends on how much you need. So the normal formula is 12 ounces of water or 1.5 cup of water, and then your major flavor. So this time we're going to use instant coffee. This is 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. I'm using a regular Nescafe Classic Decaf. You can use any coffee that you can find in the market or that you have at home. So 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and the sugar will depend on how sweet you want it to be. Now because this is jelly, the sweeter the better. When you mix it with a drink, it becomes less sweet. So to be safe, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of, I'm using brown sugar. So if you come closer, you'll be able to see this. Okay? So 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I mix it with my instant coffee. Now, for the gelatin powder, I'm going to use 10 grams. 10 grams of gelatin powder. Again, you can use any brand of gelatin powder that's available in your market. So I'm going to put my 10 grams of gelatin powder there. And I need 12 ounces or 1.5 cup of hot water. So that's your 360 ml of hot water. And that's all you need. Hot water with your powdered ingredients, and then make sure they're well combined, give them a good stir. And then find a tray that you can use to let your jelly set. Okay, make sure it's well combined, and then let's put it in our tray. And that is your coffee jelly using instant coffee. Let's put it aside for now. The second one that we're going to make is using liquid coffee. This is freshly brewed coffee using an espresso machine. So this is a really strong coffee. I'm using 3 ounces of strong coffee. So there. The liquid must be no more than 12 ounces, which is 360 ml. I already put 3 ounces here, so I need 9 ounces of hot water. So I would put 9 ounces of hot water. Remember, hot water must be a total of, or the water, the liquid in your jelly must be a total of 12 ounces. So that's 8, and I need 1 more ounce. 9 plus our 3 ounces of brewed coffee, that makes it 12. And then we're also going to use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and our 10 gram of gelatin. Again, stir them together. Make sure it's well combined. And this time, because I don't have any more tray, I'm going to put it in a jar. Okay. And this is where I'm going to let my coffee jelly set. Okay, so I still have some left over. So there you have it. We have two types of coffee jelly using two different types of ingredients. This is using instant coffee and this is using freshly brewed coffee. That's really very, very simple to make. What you do after you finish your mix, you let it cool down for a bit. Do not put it in the refrigerator immediately because it will make the temperature of your refrigerator go up and you don't want to do that. So let it cool down for a bit outside the refrigerator, and when you're ready, put it in the refrigerator. So how long does it take to set? It takes about at least 2 hours to set. Or if you're not in a hurry, then go back to it the next day. So in your coffee shop or milk tea shop, you can make it at night and then you can use it in the morning. So that's it. Very, very simple way of making your coffee jelly. Now, what I have here, this is the finished product. So this, I have let it set in the refrigerator for overnight, and that is your beautiful coffee jelly. So when you're ready to make your drink, you can either cut this into cubes or you can just scoop it up and put it as sinkers for your coffee drinks or for whatever drink you might want to make. There, beautiful. Shall we give it a try? Okay, hold it. Now let's try. I really like the texture of it. It's homemade, you know exactly what's in there, no preservative, except for the gelatin, of course. You need that to let it set. So let's try this one. Perfect. The sweetness is just perfect, it's just right. Not too sweet, not too bitter either. Perfect homemade coffee jelly. So there you have it. Let me know how it goes when you try it at home. In the meantime, stay tuned for my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.